Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Bring grocery shopping list app is and how it's positioned. Bring is a digital grocery and shopping list organizer developed by Bring Labs AG that lets users create, edit, and share grocery lists on smartphones and tablets with syncing across devices, as described in the official Apple App Store and Google Play Store descriptions. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. The app's primary function, according to its official listings, is to help people create and manage grocery shopping lists that are available whenever needed and share them in real time with family or household members, reducing forgotten items and duplicate buying. Bring may be useful for users who want a simple way to coordinate shared grocery needs and keep everyone informed of changes, based on the documented syncing feature in official sources. The official descriptions note that users can add items via smart search or voice commands, speeding up list creation without typing each entry manually. Verified app features include the ability to add item details such as quantities and photos to better describe what's needed on each list, which is stated in the official app listing. Bring may automatically organize list items into categories like produce or dairy, which can help streamline shopping, as indicated in the store description. The app's official description also highlights recipe discovery and ingredient import, which lets users save seasonal or favorite recipes and bring the ingredients directly into their lists. Bring may support storing loyalty cards and special offers within the app, giving users quick access at checkout as indicated in the developer's App Store details. The official listings confirm that in-app purchases and a premium subscription are available, which provide additional optional features beyond the free core list tools. For users interested in coordinated shopping that syncs across devices and households, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.